So we've talked about a little bit about how the view can be customized. Let's have a look at how you can add new filters. So for example, if I'm really interested, let me just load up this my original view. If I'm really interested in this account ID or just the field account ID in general, what I can do is I can add that to the filter list like this. And I'll just move myself, and you can see here that now we have only one account ID in here, which is fine. So now we can actually filter on that. And so this is a really nice way of locking down filters. You can combine filters with queries, so run the query and then run further filters. And this just enables you to slice the data however you're most comfortable with. Finally, you can take a look. You can render your data in many different ways. So, for example, the condensed view will give you a much more information-dense version if that's what you want. You can render everything on a single line. These are big documents, or you can render everything in a list view. This is kind of like a flattened JSON list, and what this will do is it will show you all of the different values. It will maintain the structure, but it will just show you the values. And so, really, really nice, really powerful way of rendering out the data.